Hello everyone. So in the last video we talked about how to write a bug report, but we didn't mention about tester work. Actually, tester work or any other platform for testing websites will be the same steps for bug reporting, but it just sometimes will be a different place. So we will clarify that here, because actually bug reporting or the tracking tool for issues or bugs is actually a part of the registration process on tester work. So it really follows this video, not the previous one. So here is tester work. This is the sign up button. Of course I will not tell you how to write your name and all this stuff. You probably did it millions of times. So this is the page of sign up, become a tester. You will write your email, your password confirmation, and you will take this box and you will press sign up. After you sign up, you will receive an email. In this email they will tell you to verify your account. It's not only a verification for your account. There are actually 3 steps. The first step is to add your basic profile and testing experience. You will tell them what you are experienced at, but remember to tell them that you are experienced in functional testing only. Don't choose security, don't choose performance. These are things that need a professional person. If you are graduated from the University of Quality Assurance or you have studied quality assurance, so you may choose whatever you like after functional, but the functional part is actually for anyone, not only for the tester or for the people who have a testing background. The second thing that you will take is the devices you can test with. You will write the devices. They will ask you for the OS and some information about these devices, just like the versions, the language, the model, things like this. Number 3, you will take a quiz, a quality assurance assessment, a test. In that test you have 2 attempts only. You will not be able to repeat the test after the second chance. You will not be able even to enter the same information about your personal information and your credit card again after you fail these 2 steps. They will filter any email you will try to add if you did not succeed. So how to pass these 2 attempts, or how to pass from the first attempt? Well, whether you are a professional tester or not, I recommend you to try reading this article. I will attach this article in this video, so please study it well. It's not hard. It's just tell you how they judge, and based on that you will be able to judge on the exam. The exam actually is multiple choice, about 6 to 10 questions. All of them are multiple choice and they are so logical. You have to know what is the logic of the site to be able to use it. So please read the attached report thoroughly in order to be able to pass the test from the first attempt. I passed the test from the first attempt after I read that article. The last email that you will get is your bug tracker credentials. It's actually the link that we have talked about, which tells you how to access your bug tracker, and which actually have the link to access your bug tracker. You'll find also your username and the password that you will use to access it permanently. After the registration process completes, you actually will have just like 2 websites that you will deal with inside the UTest. One for the community and one for the dashboard on which you will receive your projects. This one right here is for the social community of the UTest. It's just like the Facebook, something like this. but of course it's different because they always stick to the topics about testing. So most of the comments and most of the posts right here, you will see them, talking about posts about software testing industry. We will talk about how important is the social community to support your income on UTest, and how important it is to support actually your frequency of getting more and more paid invitations. It's just like the reputation of you or your personal profile on UTest, something that we will mention separately in the coming one, which is related to the UTest ranking. We will talk about how to use the social community features in order to get more invitations and make more income. Here you can see your notifications, the messages between you and other testers, and here you can see how to start a new test, so which is what I'm saying to you right now. You can read articles, take training, see what are the tools that you can use. Mostly you can understand the website more and more, but actually I'm making this course to facilitate to you most of the reading, or most of the time you will spend reading about what's in this site. When you pass the academy, you join the academy, you pass it, you will be able to go to the UTest platform. The platform is a place where you will separately work on your projects, the test cycles that you will be part in. And it's not only that, it's actually a place where you can find your profile, but in a more thorough and deep way. You can not only here see or modify your devices, but there are a lot of other things that you can let the website gather information about in order to invite you to more special tests, more special test cycles. Just like the mobility here, if you have a certain car from a certain model, sometimes the brands or the companies of these models make special tests for their cars, and they want someone with maybe a BM, a 1997 model, something like this, and they want to test something on his car. So this is actually enabling you to to use everything in your home, or maybe from the technology around you, to be a reason for more extra income on UTest. Also, you can see your statistics, and this is a very important part, because you can see how was your performance in the last 21 days and along the whole year, how you did, if you did well or not, how many bugs that are approved, and how many bugs from them that are valuable, and how many of them that are very valuable or maybe even exceptional. And this means more and extra paid amount for each bug that's not only approved as a somewhat valuable bug, but also very valuable and exceptional. This means double or maybe 4 doubles of the payment rate. You can also see if you have any rejected bugs, undecided ones that still haven't been corrected yet. You can revise the test cycle history and how many test cycles you participated in or you were part in. So we will take from that what will make you get a higher ranking, which will enable you to increase the chances of being invited to more paid projects, and from which you can settle a decent income that may lie between the $200 and $400. And I'm talking about the African nations. I don't know about the US or the European ones. I think they can make more, because they have other tests that are only interested in these places, and of course they will be dealt with the economic state of their currency. So of course they can make more, but because of the location and the power of their currency, so they can expect more income from after adjusting the ranking on UTest, which will be the next video